Leo and Maya here. We're back with a science fair project so cool you can eat it. Get ready for the sweetest experiment yet. We call this project Operation Crystal Creation. It's the science of making delicious, edible jewels from scratch. We're gonna grow our own giant, delicious sugar crystals. It's chemistry you can taste. But this project involves boiling hot water, which is serious business. So what's our number one, most important rule? You absolutely must have a grown-up do all the hot, boiling parts. We're the science assistants for this step.
And so are you.
So what exactly are we growing? Crystals are amazing structures where tiny molecules arrange themselves in a perfectly repeating pattern. You see them everywhere in nature, from sparkly quartz in a cave to a unique snowflake on your glove. Ready to grow our own edible jewel? Let's head to the lab and gather the ingredients. You'll need a lot of sugar, about 2 cups and 1 cup of water. That's it. We're adding some blue food coloring to make ours extra awesome. First, we need to give our crystals a place to start growing. Dip your stick in a little water, then roll it in sugar.
Seed crystals.
Okay, here's the grown-up part. Have them bring the water to a boil, slowly stir in all the sugar until it's dissolved, and add the food coloring. They'll pour the hot blue liquid into your jar. Now you can carefully suspend your stick right in the middle. Don't let it touch the sides. And now we wait. Put the jar somewhere safe where it won't be disturbed. The best science projects require a little patience. After about a week, you'll have this, a giant, beautiful, edible crystal structure. Time to uncover the science behind the sparkle. It all starts with solubility. When the water is cold, the molecules are arranged close together, and there's not much room for any more molecules. But when you heat the water, those molecules get tons of energy and start zipping around. This creates lots of space, allowing way more sugar to dissolve. When the water cools down, the molecules get close again, trapping all the sugar. The solution holds more sugar than it normally can. Those extra sugar molecules want to get out of the crowded solution. They need a starting point, a place to gather. This is called a nucleation site. And that's why we coated our stick in sugar. Those tiny seed crystals are the perfect nucleation sites. They shout, "Start building here!" Once the first molecules attach, others follow, locking into place in a repeating pattern called a crystal lattice. This is the best part of any experiment, analyzing the results. What a project! You learned about solubility, supersaturation, and crystallization, all while making the world's tastiest science trophy. Thanks for building with us. Go try the sweetest science fair project ever.
Stay curious.
If you liked this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such amazing DIY science projects.